not impress people with your English at the wrong place. Pronunciation refers to individual words. When you improve your pronunciation, ultimately you improve your accent. Accent is the bigger picture and pronunciation is word by word. Feelings will give you either confidence or they will decline your confidence, right? And then learn the rules of the language and you'll be able to speak correctly. And if anybody makes correction, take it positively. English is not your language. I started my career as an English language trainer. Then I joined UCP, UMT. There I taught business communication. And then all of a sudden, somebody introduced me to IELTS, International English Language Testing System. And then I started teaching IELTS. So by that time, I had, my feet in 3-4 things. And then I never knew that this IELTS is going to give me fame and all that. So IELTS gave me the wings to fly and things are really different. So opportunities are all around. You will have to try different things and then finally you see what works for you. When my IELTS became successful, then I left spoken English. I used to do home tuitions. I left home tuitions. I used to teach in colleges and universities. I left all that. So in your lifetime as well, there will be one knocking opportunity. The first thing is you need to identify, right? This is the right person for me. We are talking about right opportunity in your life. So you need to identify that opportunity, grab it, and then make yourself expert in that. And inshallah, rest will be history. The same family members who don't own you now, in future, they will say, he is my cousin, he is my brother, he is my this, he is my that. So this is what you guys are going to do. And inshallah, you will do it. How many of you are determined? Yeah, few. Okay, now, bakiyon ko samajh, acha late aati hai. Ah, English. Okay, yeah. I understand now. Foreign nahi yaad khada kiya. How many of you are determined? Yeah, me. Okay, ठीक हो गया. I don't blame you for that. इसमें आपका कोई कसूर नहीं है. इंग्लिश ऐसी थोड़ी देर बाद समझ आती है, ठीक है? आप उर्दू में लतीफ़ा सुनाएंगे, सब लोग हंसेंगे. इंग्लिश सुनाएंगे और सर. Now I understand that. Okay, so that's amazing. We are going to have great time here, right? And it's going to be all good Saturday for all of us, inshallah. This is the month of December, and we'll have great time. Okay, now out of 3 questions, select one question which you think is the best one out of 3. Right? One question out of 3 which you think is the best one. Okay, got it? All right. Now, I just want you to read your question. Yes, please. Let's start from you.
What's the difference between accent and pronunciation?
What is the difference between accent and pronunciation? All right, that's good. Accent is the way to speak a language. For example, American accent. That deals with whole language, sentences, conversations, and all that. Pronunciation refers to individual words, how to pronounce a certain word. So when you improve your pronunciation, ultimately, you improve your accent. So accent is the bigger picture and pronunciation is word by word. Yeah.
How to be fluent and whom we should talk.
Okay, how to be fluent with whom should we talk? Now, you can find any online community where you speak English and fluency comes when you speak. When you speak English time and again, you'll be fluent. Good, yeah. Lack of confidence. Okay, now what is lack of confidence? Confidence is a feeling. And lack of confidence is also a feeling. It's a feeling. First you feel and then you react. Right? For example, if you're sitting here and I say after 2 minutes you have to deliver a presentation here, first you feel, me, presentation, and in English. I mean, you have different feelings. So your feelings will give you either confidence or they will decline your confidence. So feel good, be positive, the self-talk that we have. Now, for example, I'm having a self-talk, mashallah, he's got Noorani face. This is a self-talk I'm having in my heart, but I'm telling you, his smile is very good. Self-talk, when you talk to yourself. So if you have positive self-talk, you can overcome that. Yeah?
How to communicate correctly?
How to communicate correctly. Listen to English as much as possible, right? And then learn the rules of the language and you'll be able to speak correctly. And if anybody makes correction, take it positively. English is not your language. Okay? Good.
Why speaking English is so hard?
Why it is so hard to speak English? It is only hard when you don't speak English. Right? जब मुझे गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती थी तो हर वो बंदा जिसको गाड़ी चलानी आती थी मैं देख के कहता था ये पायलट है Why? कि कैसे गाड़ी इतने रश में इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी, ठीक है? So you think, I mean, for example, those who are pilots, and you think about them, कितना मुश्किल होगा जहाज से. कभी आपने किसी पायलट को देखा जहाज उड़ाते हो ऐसे कर रहा हो? हाँ, आराम से बैठे होते हैं, चाय कॉफी पीते हैं, राइट? बात करते हैं, स्कैंडल्स भी आ जाते हैं. That is something else. So when you don't do something, you look at that from the perspective of someone who doesn't know, then things are difficult. But once you start doing it, right, you accept that I have to do it, there will be difficulties and all that, then you will do that. So today you are saying why it is difficult, and one day you will say it is not difficult. And I'm waiting for that day. Okay, inshallah. Yes?
How can we improve our vocabulary?
How can we improve our vocabulary? Reading. Reading is the best way. Now, for example, what do you study?
Computer science.
Computer science. You read books about computer science, you will improve computer science vocabulary. You read novels, you will improve that vocabulary. You read newspapers, you improve newspaper vocabulary. For everyday English, listen to everyday English. And one more thing, you should be a hunter of vocabulary. Whenever you find a new word, you need to say, I don't know this word. Note it down, check. You have mobile, you can check it, so you can improve that, right? Next.
To get correct pace.
Huh?
To get correct pace.
Is it a question? Question should be in a proper sentence. How to... Come on, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, माँ सदके जाए ऐसे नहीं करते. You should be confident. Stand up. Now, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Ask your question again. Good. Face the audience. Ask your question again.
To get the correct pace of
Very good.
English.
How to get the correct pace of English? This is your question. How are you feeling now? The smile करें. इसके साथ हाथ मिलाएं. आपको बड़ा सवाब होगा. Go, 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 go. गले नहीं मिलना. गले मिलना. एड्डा तू एडवांस हाँ? Okay. So, pace. I mean, pace is what we call fluency, that you speak English fluently. For that, you need practice. Okay, speak English. Try to find someone to speak English. I tell you, I'm so lucky. I found some foreigners to speak English, right? For example, the first foreigner I found was a Chinese. All right, I was in British Council. There I found a Chinese, and I learned to speak English with that Chinese. That Chinese was student there, and I was in ELT section of British Council Library. I expressed myself with the Chinese, and I learned English from Chinese. Okay, you must be thinking he or she. Okay, then later on, I met another person, and that was French. Now, although French people speak French, but in order to communicate, we use English. So when you speak English, that it is compulsory for you. Compulsory means no other means of communication, then you can improve your pace. Yes, please. Very good. How to choose the correct word? It depends on your vocabulary bank, that you know the words. Remember one thing, every difficult word of English language has simple English translation, right? Every difficult word. So if you don't know that difficult word, you can use that simple translation. For example, now you're going to guess the word. Guess the word. A container which we use to hold liquids. A container which we use to hold liquids. Glass, bottle, cup, anything like that. So if you don't know the word cup, glass, all that, you can use a container which we commonly use to hold liquids, something like that. So what you know, you should know how to express yourself. Yes? Where to speak English? Don't speak English everywhere. Right? वरना आपकी मंगनी शंगनी नहीं होगी, भूल जाएं फिर. Okay? They will say, मुंडा पता नहीं की भूल रहा. Right? So don't impress people with your English at the wrong place. Right? I had this guy, my neighbor, and he started watching American movies, he developed American accent, and he started thinking that he was an American living in Lahore. Okay, he started thinking. And wherever he went, he started speaking English with the shopkeeper, with the greengrocer, vegetable seller and all that. And at the end, people started calling him crazy, pagal. Okay, so you should know where to speak English and where to speak your native language, because you have, like we have Urdu, we have our native languages, so we need to speak them where we need, but don't force people to speak English, right? Yeah. Next.
How we speak English confidently if we do not
Okay, if you don't know about grammar, grammar is not necessary, by the way. Grammar is not necessary. You can speak good English without grammar. You will ask me how. Do you speak good Urdu? Yes. Yeah?
Knowledge gives us confidence.
Yeah. How did you learn to speak Urdu?
but from other
Exactly, that's right. You learned to speak Urdu from your parents and you picked up small sentences. You were very small. Imagine you a small baby, right? Imagine this is you. I'm holding you here. Imagine, come on. What is this? Say me. What is this? It's you. All right. Imagine this is you. And your parents said, look, wo dekho beta billi. And you saw, acha, you billi hai. All right. And you're picking up the language. So we learned language from sentences. And those sentences were spoken by our parents. They expressed first mother, father, and then the people around us, they say, okay, kinna da munda so sona. Then they took you, they say kuchi kuchi, and you learn to speak. Right? Yeah, exactly. Now you are so big, तो कितनी बाजियों ने आपको प्यार मोहब्बत करके यहाँ तक पहुँचाया है, पाला and all that. Yeah? I mean, why not? Our cousins, they love the kids a lot. Okay? So, that is what we call direct method. One is called language translation method. One is called direct method. Okay, direct method क्या है? English into English. Sentences pick करें, sentences बोलें, you never need grammar, right? And second method is language translation. ये एक बिल्ली है, this is a cat. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? So that is language translation. If you learn through language translation, then you will say, my heart is garden with happiness. Okay? So that is wrong. So then you will have funny English. So learn English directly from foreigners, pick up sentences. As I teach IELTS, when I teach listening module, there are so many sentences that I learn from there. And then unconsciously, I'm using those sentences when I speak English. So listening will help you with that. Listen, first, when you learn vocabulary, you need to imagine it. Imagine, your imagination. If you learn a new word, okay, so you need to imagine that word in use. Second, use it 4 to 5 times. Remember one thing, your speaking vocabulary is always smaller than your reading vocabulary. Have you noticed? When you read English, you know so many words, लेकिन आप उन words को use नहीं करते. जब आप बोलते हैं तो आपकी limited vocabulary. क्यों? जब आप पढ़ते हैं तो word आपको आता है, लेकिन वो आपकी ready vocabulary में नहीं है. ठीक है? तो आपने वो जो आपके पास store है, उसको readily available words में लेके आना है. And you can do that by practice. And whenever you learn a word, use it 2-3 times. Now you say, I've learned a new word and I'm practicing it. What's the word? Nincompoop. Nincompoop is an English language word. You meet a friend. You say, hello, Mr. Nincompoop, how are you? और वो कहेगा ये क्या है कि मैंने एक नया वर्ड सीखा है. पूछेगा इसका मतलब क्या है? बोलो इसका मतलब है stupid. Nincompoop means someone stupid. Yeah, but don't tell the meaning to people. So this is how you can practice.
Also with mirror practice.
With?
Mirror practice.
मिरर प्रैक्टिस जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट पुराना हो गया. ठीक है, मिरर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, मिरर यानी आईने के सामने आके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. वही नहीं, एक सियासतदान था, उसको तकरीर करने का शौक था, लेकिन तकरीर करनी नहीं आती. उसे गोभी के खेत में ले गए, उसे बोला ये सारी गोभियाँ हैं ना, ये लोगों के सर हैं, तो तकरीर करें. उसने बड़ी अच्छी तकरीर की. बाद में एक्चुअल लोगों के पास लेके गए, देख के कंफ्यूज हो गया. फिर एंड में कहता है गोभी गोभी होती है, बंदा बंदा होता है. तो मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग में फिर आप कहेंगे कि आईना लेके आओ, फिर मैं बोलूँगा. ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस विद पीपल, रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन में फेस करें. यस,
How to overcome the problem of mixing the content while speaking English?
that's a very good question. Matching the content while speaking English. It's very easy to deviate from the content, right? You need to outline your content. आप देखिए, मेन टॉपिक मेरा ये है, इस टॉपिक के बाद सब टॉपिक ये है. फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक बात से दूसरी बात, दूसरी से अगली तीसरी बात, उससे अगली चौथी बात, एंड फिर हम कहते हैं टॉपिक क्या था. सो जब आप एक बात करें, समराइज इट, come back to the main topic, then elaborate, summarize it, come back to the main topic and connect it with the main topic. और आपको खुद फीलिंग आनी चाहिए कि हम अब टॉपिक से दूर हो रहे हैं. So you can do that. Yeah.
I had the same question.
You are very clever, huh? Okay, now
My own question, but
he asked the same question, so you have no question now. No problem. That's okay. Yes.
British accent better than American accent?
No, we cannot say which accent is better. It's actually, it depends on your need, right? So, for example, if you speak good English and you go to England, you will learn British accent within months. If you speak English here and you go to America, you will learn that accent. So, it's not that which accent is better. What do you need? What is your need? For example, people work in call center, there they need American accent. Some call centers need British accent, so it's not better. It depends on you. One more thing, there is one English, we call it global English. Global English is that you see on the media. So focus global English, that will be better. Everybody will understand you. Americans, British, Australian, and they will understand you, right? Okay, yeah.
How can you become fluent in English?
How can you become fluent in English? Simple, speak English. Express yourself in English, write in English, record yourself in English, make a vlog in English. Hello guys, आज मुझे नाश्ता नहीं मिला लेकिन चलो कोई बात नहीं, something like that, okay? Go on, but do it in English. Hello guys, good morning, look at the sun. And be excited. You need to show excitement, right? So it can help you. You can do vlogging. आपका माशाल्लाह चेहरा भी photogenic है, और से यकीन नहीं आ रहा, हाँ? Yeah, good, yeah. How can we improve our accent? ठीक है, पहले तो अपना उर्दू का एक्सेंट सही करेंगे हम, ठीक है? हम चिड़िया को चिड़िया बोलेंगे, घोड़े को घोड़ा बोलेंगे, then it will be fine. So simple, listen and react, listen and imitate, copy करें. जिस तरह वो बोलते हैं ना अंग्रेज, शुरू में लोग आपका मजाक उड़ाएंगे, but later on we will be fine. Okay, imitate करें. मूवीज देखते हैं इंग्लिश में, देखें कैसे बोल रहे हैं. मूवी का कोई कैरेक्टर अपने अंदर लेके आए, उस कैरेक्टर को कॉपी करें. You can learn it. How to speak English fluently? Same thing here. Practice English. All right, I tell you how to speak English fluently. Come over here. ठीक है, अब जरा क्वेश्चन ध्यान से करना है. Please over here. All right, your topic is. All right, give you a nice topic. Your topic is English, and you have to speak on this topic for 1 minute. Come on, you can start. English is a language. It is spoken all over the world and all that. Come on.
English is a global language and
Come on, good. आपने इंग्लिश पे सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं, बनाते जाएं, जितने बनते हैं बनाएं. Come on. Yeah. मैं आपके साथ हेल्प के लिए खड़ा हूँ. चलिए, इंग्लिश पे इन्होंने सेंटेंसेस बनाने. चलिए. ये आपने सोचा नहीं था ना जो हो रहा है अभी. इसको कहते हैं लाइफ. कि जिंदगी में जो आप सोचते नहीं है ना, देखिए वहां से हम बड़ा स्मूथली आए हैं. आपके वेमो गुमान में भी नहीं होगा कि मेरी शामत आ जानी है, ठीक है? सो द बेस्ट वे टू डू इट लाइक दिस. बोलें. अब आप सिर्फ इंग्लिश पे 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाएं और वापस चले जाएं. अभी 5 सेंटेंसेस. अच्छा, पता है दिमाग इतना बंद हुआ है, उर्दू भी नहीं समझ आ रही. 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाएं एंड देन गो बैक. इनको देख के सामने. क्या? नंबर 1.
English is a global language.
वेरी गुड. नंबर 2.
There are different accents of English language.
वेरी गुड. एक्सेंट्स. ओके. नंबर 3.
And some accent are British and Canadian.
Very good. Okay, number 4.
Fourth one is
Come on. I want to learn to speak. कुछ बोलें. Yeah. All right, चलिए. Thank you so much. Good job. You know what was his problem when he was here? अब ये बैठ गया ना, अब इसके दिमाग में 10 सेंटेंसेस भी आएंगे, ठीक है? यहाँ पे मौत पड़ती है. Telling you honestly, अभी का मैंने कहा ना लिख के दिखाएंगे, 10 के 15 भी लिख देंगे, ऐसा ही है ना, ठीक है? But when you come over here, then things are different. तो अपने आप को बाज़ुकात it is good to disconnect yourself from the audience. जब आप पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में आते हैं ना, तो बाज़ुकात अपने आप को डिस्कनेक्ट कर लेना भी बेहतर है. Once I had this, what do you say, public speaking anxiety. मैं UCP में था. I was delivering a lesson, MBA class, business communication was the topic, और उसमें लेक्चर डिलीवर कर रहा था. How I got this anxiety? There was a student sitting at the back, और वो मुझे इस तरह से देख रही थी कि जैसे मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, और नहीं हैरत वाला चेहरा होता है इस तरह का. मैंने बार देखा and I really got an anxiety कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ना वो मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ and all that. Then I overcame that. मैंने ऑडियंस को नहीं बताया, मैंने अपने आप को डिस्कनेक्ट. अब देखिए जैसे आप यहाँ पे बैठे हुए, मैं सबको देख रहा हूँ, आपको नहीं देख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? लेकिन आपकी तरह मुंह भी कर रहा हूँ, आपको नहीं देख रहा. तो जहाँ से आपको एंग्जाइटी मिले, अगर आपको सबसे एंग्जाइटी मिलती है फिर आंखें बंद कर लें. दैट्स द इजी चॉक, राइट? सो एट टाइम्स डिस्कनेक्टिंग फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस. अब आप फर्स्ट करें, यू हैव टू डिलीवर अ प्रेजेंटेशन एंड योर फ्रेंड मेक्स यू लाफ. सो डिस्कनेक्ट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम हिम एंड यू कैन ओवरकम दैट. अच्छा जी, रेडी? हैप्पी? गुड. देखिए आप कैमरा में भी आ गए ना, माशाल्लाह. या ऑल डन देयर? Okay, good. Now we go on. Yes.
Sir, how to improve if our tongue is slipped during?
Okay. If your tongue slips, is it like a physical phenomena or is it like that's normal? That's pretty normal. Accept it. Fumbling हो, अगर इंग्लिश बोलते हुए आवाज़ लड़खड़ाए कुछ ऐसा हो, दैट्स नॉर्मल, वो ग्रेजुअली प्रैक्टिस से बेहतर हो जाएगा। वो उर्दू में भी होता है, बाज़ का आप उर्दू में भी बिल्कुल खामोश हो जाते हैं, सो दैट इज़ प्रिटी नॉर्मल। बट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन जस्ट सी किस सिचुएशन में ये होता है, राइट? जिस सिचुएशन में वो होता है उस सिचुएशन में दोबारा अपने आप को चेक करें, यू विल बी ओके। अच्छा जी, नाउ व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? 1 मिनट साइलेंस, मुकम्मल साइलेंस, पाँव की आवाज़ भी नहीं आनी चाहिए। 1 मिनट साइलेंस, मुस्कुराते रहें। ऑलराइट, देखा 1 मिनट साइलेंट नहीं रह जाता, इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ स्मोकिंग नहीं करनी। सिर्फ ये एक छोटा सा टेस्ट था, और आपकी खांसी से जो है ना वो उसका वो पहुंच गया। हाँ, you should avoid that. अच्छा जी, now we go on. I give you a chance to express yourselves in English. This time you are going to share just 5 plans that you have made about your future. आप बोलेंगे I will go abroad for higher studies because this is my dream, और जो भी है उसके बाद सेकंड गोल, थर्ड गोल, फोर्थ, और लिखना नहीं है, सिर्फ सोचना है और बोलना है। अब सुने जरा कैसे करेंगे। आप अपना एक गोल बताएंगे, फिर आप अपना एक गोल बताएंगे, फिर आप अपना सेकंड बताएंगे, आप सेकंड, 5 गोल्स आपने बताने हैं जो आप अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं, और साथ उसके नॉट ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू टेल व्हाट, यू आर गोइंग टू टेल हाउ। ठीक है, आई विल गो टू कनाडा, हाउ, बक्से में बंद होके, नो नॉट लाइक दिस, आई विल गो टू कनाडा, हाउ, I think after my graduation I apply for higher studies and then I'll actually get the student visa, कुछ ऐसा पूरा आपने प्लान करना, एक्सप्रेस करना है, राइट? सो प्लीज, जहाँ पे 4 लोग बैठे हैं 2 by 2, couple of people, राइट? सो जहाँ पे 3 लोग बैठे हैं 3 by 3, 5 अपने फ्यूचर गोल्स डिस्कस करने हैं विद डिटेल्स। प्लीज यू कैन स्टार्ट अपना अपना। चलिए, पहले आप बोल लें, फिर आप बोलें, फिर आप बोलें। Okay. Now, let's go on. What you guys are going to do now, this time you're going to share one local business idea. One local business idea. Like while living in Pakistan, you can do this business and you will express that in English. ठीक है, और मैं ये पूछूंगा उससे जो सुन रहा होगा, मैं इनसे पूछूंगा इनका बिजनेस आइडिया क्या था, और जहां पे ये गलत बोले, ठीक है, आपने मुझे बताना कि ये तो मैंने कहा ही नहीं है। गॉट द पॉइंट? ठीक है, इनका बिजनेस आइडिया इनसे पूछूंगा, इनका बिजनेस आइडिया इनसे पूछूंगा। ठीक है, सो वन लोकल बिजनेस आइडिया, अच्छा आइडिया देनी, नहीं कहना जी आप मरूद ले ओके और मिर्च मसाला ले लें एंड देन यू कैन सेल, नो, कम अप विद समथिंग मोर देन दैट। वो भी अच्छी बात है, लाइक यू शुड डू दैट समटाइम्स, अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है, बट यू नीड टू कम अप विद समथिंग मोर। वन बिजनेस आइडिया, I give you half a minute to think about it and then you're going to start. Business idea. सोचें क्या होगा, चलें। हाँ? From your, it can be different. Be open. Field से निकल के भी कुछ भी, जो भी आप चाहें। For what? For English language, there are several books, but I don't refer the books. From books, you learn bookish knowledge. For example, if you want to learn English, you can watch some videos, especially on English grammar, vocabulary, and all that. Then you can listen to some audios. We have a resource here. मैं कोऑर्डिनेटर से कहता हूँ आपके साथ वो शेयर कर दूँ, उसमें पूरा लाइक 4 GB का डेटा है, ऑडियोज़ भी हैं, बुक्स भी हैं, यू कैन गो थ्रू। ठीक है, मैंने कहता हूँ शेयर कर दूँ। येस, यू कैन वॉच सीजन्स इन इंग्लिश, वो भी बहुत बेहतर है। असल चीज़ है देखने के बाद उस पर रिएक्ट करें, जैसी इंग्लिश सुनते हैं वैसी इंग्लिश बोलने क्या
How much time per day we should allocate for this?
लाइक यू नो इट शुड बी फन टाइम. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आपका जो टाइम है ना पर डे, इट शुड बी फन टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फन टाइम मीन्स यू वॉच अ मूवी इन इंग्लिश, यू आर लर्निंग एंड वॉचिंग अ मूवी इज़ फन. ठीक है, अगर आप कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखना चाहते हैं वो देख लें, सॉन्ग्स सुनना चाहते हैं यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. तो ये फन टाइम है. बेशक इसको फ्रीक्वेंट वक्फों के साथ आप कर सकते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटी में एक पीरियड फ्री मिल गया, यू कैन डू समथिंग. अदरवाइज बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड कैन जस्ट हैव दैट. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. क्लास हमारी अभी ख़त्म नहीं हो रही. Right? Yeah. Okay. Now, the next activity that we have is called 1 minute English. क्या कहते हैं? 1 minute English. ठीक है? अब क्या होगा? I'm going to give you this podium. You are going to come over here and you are going to speak English for 1 minute. अब 1 minute में ये नहीं करना कि मैं छोटी और बड़ी ABC सुनाऊंगा. नहीं. You need to express yourselves. And don't talk about obvious things. Obvious things are my name is this, I am in this university. These are obvious things. Come up with something different. कोई एक टॉपिक सेलेक्ट करें जो सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग हो. टेक्निकल नहीं. अगर फर्ज करें आप सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपको उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, दूसरों को समझ नहीं आएगी. इट शुड बी समथिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी, फॉर अ ले मैन. एंड यू विल स्पीक इंग्लिश फॉर 1 minute. ठीक है? राइट? Chale, I just give you half minute for that and then you will have to come here and you will express yourselves. अच्छा, like I need a group of people जिनको public speaking का fear है. मतलब यहाँ आने से जिनको डर लगता है. ठीक है? I don't want any problem. किस किस को पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का फियर है उनको हम एंड पे बुलाएंगे. 1, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ये पहले आएंगे. 5 अभी तक नहीं. वो देखिए वो शरीफ आदमी एवरीथिंग अभी तक नहीं. 1, 2 और कौन था? 3, 4, 5. ये गुड 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 गुड. फिर बाकी सब लोग हैं. अच्छा, अब आपने जो बोलना है ना, लेट मी टेल यू, उसके 2-3 पार्ट्स होंगे जो आप बोलेंगे. राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन इज ग्रीटिंग. कहते हैं कि जब भी आप कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दें, फर्स्ट 30 सेकेंड्स एंड लास्ट 30 सेकेंड्स दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट? आप कहिए मेरी अगर प्रेजेंटेशन ही 1 मिनट की है तो क्या होगा? राइट? अदरवाइज फर्स्ट 30 सेकेंड्स, इसको कहते हैं क्रिएटिंग द फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन. राइट? तो आपने क्या करना है, फर्स्ट 30 सेकेंड्स में यू विल क्रिएट योर इंप्रेशन. राइट? एंड देन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू फिनिश यू नीड टू कंक्लूड दैट. अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रिपेयर ही ऐसे करें कि 1 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाए. आप बेशक मोबाइल साथ लें, टाइमर लगा दें, उस पर आपको पता चल जाएगा कि 1 मिनट हो गया एंड देन यू कैन कंक्लूड योर प्रेजेंटेशन. अच्छा, सबसे पहला पार्ट क्या है? ग्रीटिंग्स. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड अ वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल माय क्लास फेलोज हियर. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट. ऑडियंस को बताएं कि आप किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने लगे हैं. ठीक है? ग्रीटिंग्स, उसके बाद इंट्रोडक्शन. अपना इंट्रोडक्शन बेशक नाम बता दें, डिटेल में नहीं जाना क्योंकि 1 मिनट की प्रेजेंटेशन है. अपना नाम बता के उसके बाद आपने जिस चीज़ पे बात करनी है वो बताएं और बताएं कि व्हाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ऑडियंस टू लिसन टू यू केयरफुली एंड देन यू कैन मूव ऑन. ठीक है? राइट? सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. यू.
Good afternoon, guys. This is Shahzad Akbar, and today I am here to give you advice on how you have to earn money. Look, as a man, you must have to earn money in your life, a good, handsome amount of money. By this way, the only way a man should have respect in his in society is how full his pocket is. So you should not have a biological clock. You should have a financial clock. And that way you must have to build multiple earning streams. You must have to try multiple things. And once, as sir also said in the start of the class, when you try multiple things, you should get to know which thing suits best for you. And once you point out the best thing for you, then you should streamline your whole journey towards that field and then pursue that thing towards the whole life of you.
Okay.
So that's all from my side. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Have you noticed when he was talking, his facial expressions were pleasant. He was enjoying his talk. So if you enjoy your talk, people will enjoy that as well. And he spoke very clearly, very frankly. And he gave a reference as well. So when you give a reference, you actually involve people. Excellent, good job. Next one, please.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Wassalam.
I hope you are all doing fine. I will like to share any tip with all of you, like as we were in the last session and our trainer told us that leave our comfort zone. So the thing is, whenever we're gonna leave our comfort zone, we will get irritated, we will feel suffocated for some time. But if once you got something by leaving your comfort zone, you will get very, very satisfied and you will be proud of yourself that why and for this is the thing you leave your comfort zone. So thank you.
Okay, this is great. Have you noticed one thing? Stay here, stay here, stay here. When he was talking, he had a firm belief what he was talking about. So do you leave your comfort zone?
Yes, I
Sure?
do.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
because if he does it, you can see it in his voice, on his facial expressions, right? So whatever you speak, you should be confident about it. That's important. Now give him the mic, please.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is
Walaikum
Mohammad Saad
assalam.
and I'm going to talk to you about animes.
Good.
Just like you, the name anime, you will think that it's for kids. But I have been watching animes for almost 4 to 5 years, and in the beginning I used to think the same thing. But believe me, you are gonna watch anime, the character building, the story building, the types of animation, the style of animation. If you like any genre, like psychological thriller, action, comedy, romance, anything you like, I will suggest you that you watch anime. It will keep you hooked up until the last, and you will think that when will the new season come? When will the new series come? So I think if you like movies and you like different genres and you like animations, you should prefer anime.
You're an intelligent boy, huh? Good job, excellent, very good. Try to quit it, okay? Yeah, I request.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, this is Muhammad Zohaib, and today I will discuss one topic that I read
फिर
from
आपकी जेब में कितने पैसे हैं?
5,000.
अभी कभी कितने हैं? जेब में कुछ है इसमें?
हाँ, सर.
तो हाथ निकालें, सर्दी लग रही
Okay,
सामने
no.
रखें. हाथ हाँ, ये ऐसे बात करें ना, good, yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
Now I will discuss one default that is present in human.
Good.
This is emotion defaults. I read it in a book.
I read it in a book.
Okay.
Come on, come
I
on.
read in a book Clear Thinking, and it has a very important lesson that we should learn and understand, and it helped me a lot. This is emotion default. Emotion default is present in humans. ठीक है? When someone says something that is not according to our taste, we react instantly. So this emotion default should be dealt in such a way that we should understand what he is telling and what he is trying to do with us. So this emotion default is dealt in such a way that we take a pause. ठीक है? For example, this person said me something that I don't like. ठीक है? I should take a pause and analyze it and respond it in a very beautiful way that
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's very good. You've got very good style of speech. जब आप बोलते हैं ना, like the way you move your jaws, teeth, and all that, this is very good. Keep it up. You speak very clearly. Thank you. Good job.
Hello everyone.
माइक पे बोलिएगा प्लीज, आवाज अच्छी रिकॉर्ड होगी. आपने मास्क भी लगाया हुआ है ना, ये that's why.
Hello everyone. My name is Walid bin Ejaz and I'm from Punjab University.
Good.
I don't have any particular topic to explain about. I can talk about BGT series. That is not Border Gavaskar series. It's known as Babar Gwandu series. And I can talk about university syllabus curriculum in our universities. But the thing which I want to explain is that I used to be a district level debater. But I must appreciate you all that the level of confidence and the anxiety I have faced from coming toward that chair to coming towards dais is commendable, and I appreciate you all that maybe it's your first time, but you did it quite well, and just clap for yourself.
Excellent. Good job. Well done. Very good. Yes, please, you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thérèse, and the topic I would be discussing on is this wonders of SpaceX.
Good.
So recently, you have seen the news that a 11-story building coming from space and to the ground, and with 33 Raptors engines and it was caught by the fox hands. So the SpaceX has done a very great job by catching the 11-story building booster with the two supportive hands, and it will help them to do the operations fastly. Thank you.
Okay, fast. Thank you so much. Here you go, please. Next one.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Alishan and I am a student of Basic Computer Science in University of Education, and today I will talk about my final year project, which is the YouTube comment analyzer. And in this project we user enter YouTube video URL of video, and then our analyzer analyze the comment of this video and generate its report in the form of chart and labels, chart and graphs, and it also generated summary. So this is
Okay, overall good. Try to use your body language. सीधा खड़े हो इस तरह से, ठीक है? And try to raise your voice. आवाज में थोड़ा सा रोक पैदा करें. उससे आपकी personality में फर्क पड़ेगा. Thank you. Next one.
I'm Abdul Rahman. The topic I am going to discuss today is BGT, the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy in Australia. In first test, Indian team got all out on around 150, and everyone thought Australia will win this test match single-handedly. But then in next 3 innings, the Indian team made a very great comeback and win the entire test single-handedly and dominate in the next 3 innings. Also, their bowlers do very well, especially Jasprit Bumrah, their captain. And in the next test match, which is currently ongoing today, Travis had smashed a century.
Okay.
And buried all hopes of India of winning the second test match.
Okay, that's good. Overall fine. Feeling confident?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपका हाथ कहाँ पे रहा था? कांपे भी टांग रही थी, क्या कहते हैं? कांपे टांग रही थी. Okay, good. Overall fine, but try to be more confident. ठीक है? Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, all done. So with this, we come towards the conclusion of the class, and the conclusion is, if you wish to make more and more progress, and if you want to go beyond the boundaries of Pakistan, English is the language which you need to learn. And then, and you know one more thing, you need to make your country feel proud of you. It's going to be a proud moment for you when somebody will say, a Pakistani game developer, a Pakistani software engineer, right? Although they are using the word Pakistani already, Pakistani corrupt politician, Pakistani this, Pakistani that, but you are the ones who are going to raise the standard of the country. Unfortunately, the standards of our country, they have been fallen by the people who do not represent the country, right? The people, whatever they do in Dubai, the beggars and all that, right? So they do not represent the country. We are the representatives of the country. But because those people have spread out in many countries, and they are becoming the reason to defame Pakistan. So you are going to actually, transform this country, and from defame to fame. And that is your job to do it. Will you do it? Inshallah. Okay, that's all for now. And thank you so much, right? I'm thankful to Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, and like they gave me this opportunity to interact with you. Okay, thank you.